There's another piece of information I wanted to leave you with that's really important. There are lots and lots of apps and games out there that are claiming to help you with math. But a lot of them just offer practice of calculations, and they often encourage you to work at very high speed, which we know can be damaging for people. I'm a big supporter of math apps and video games that are good, that offer math as an interesting subject that's not just about calculating. Math apps and games can help you practice, and if they're good, they'll also help you understand some key ideas. It's also really useful just to play and explore with math. So I've chosen 3 apps and a video game to show you here to give you some ideas of what's useful in a math app or a game. So the first one we're going to look at is Was It Trouble? I like this app as it's one that develops understanding of important mathematics, adding, subtracting, factors and multiples, at the same time as developing number flexibility, which we've learned is super important. The aim of the game is to free the little creature from jail by turning the cog to release the key. Then you get to use the same math to solve really challenging puzzles, which will help develop those brain muscles. The next one we're going to look at is Motion Math. I chose this app because it also helps develop understanding of important mathematics, particularly number and fractions, and it does it visually. We've learned how important it is to learn math through visual representations, and this app helps you really see the mathematical ideas. So the third one we're going to look at is called DragonBox. This app teaches you algebra by requiring that you cancel and move objects so that one is left alone. And by doing this, you're actually solving for x and having fun at the same time. It uses different visuals and teaches you how to balance equations with lots of useful algebraic thinking. And the final one we're going to look at is called Math Breakers. This is a 3D game that does something really valuable. It lets you play with math. It lets you act on numbers by, for example, cutting them in half with a sword or feeding them into machines. And it teaches number sense conceptually in an engaging open environment that lets you play with math. So now a question for you. What makes a good math game or app?